Baz, and I just want to share with you the power of the candles that are right in front of you. Now, we all know that the banks manipulate the market 100%. If you didn't, then you have learned something new today. But besides that, I just want to show you how powerful, without boring you to death, I just want to show you how powerful these candles can be and how you can use them in your trading. First of all, what you're about to see is for demonstration purposes only. If you would like some more information about what I'm about to show you, there's a link underneath this video. Just reach out and I'll be able to point you into the right direction. So that said, let's get into it. Now, for me to be able to show you this, I'm going to have to replay this just a little bit. How would you have caught this move going down? Let me just replay this a little bit. This is the live market. For those that you do not know, this is where the market is at right now. So let's go back maybe 7 weeks. Yeah, let's go back 7 weeks. So how would you have caught that move? So I have this, what I'm doing, I'm looking for where a price can express itself after a move, like this move right here. Let me just mark it like this move right here. How can price express itself at certain areas of this move? So what we look for, I have to know whether the price is gonna continue going down. So I come to the charts, and immediately what stands out to me is this structure break and this right here. I'm looking for, well, those places to be broken as price moves down. So for that structure break, I will say, okay, where is price likely to express itself? That's one point where it can express itself because it has broken that level. And that's another point that price can express itself. Now that will be, if I'm taking these trades, my stop loss goes just on top right there of these candles, and just right there. So as price is coming down, let's play this, and so that we can activate some candles for price to express itself. So we go down, we've broken this structure. As we can see, this has been bearish all season through, and this is what we call retracement. So where can price express itself? So I'm looking up top and I'm looking at this area. This is more or less like price moves, price stops, price moves, and now price is moving lower. So what I'm going to do is take that. If it expresses itself right on that level, then we're good to go. If it expresses itself on that other level, then we're also good to go. So let's see where price can actually express itself. So I got 2 points where it is likely to come back to clear some of these orders. So let's play this, see where this price is going to. So you see price goes up and down, and it does this all day, all week, every day. Let's just wait to see where price can express itself. There we go. You see how the price can come back to these areas where they would like to come out of their orders and lessen their orders, or what we call mitigate their orders. Mitigate means to lessen anyway. So that's how it's done, ladies and gentlemen. And if this was let's just come out of replay mode, and if you wanted that move was like, Jesus, this was crazy move. This was like, yeah, almost got a 20, 21%, 22% all the way down. That would have been 22%, 22, almost 23%. Look at that. And that's how price expresses itself, and some of these moves that you can take advantage of. So if you want to learn more, just send us a message. There's a link below. Apart from that, like, comment, you can subscribe to this channel for valuable information like the one you've just seen. So I wish you well, and take it easy. Bye for now.